immense pleasure to welcome you all for one day awareness program on labor codes and labor rights organized by Labor Department of JNK. Before we proceed further, let's begin the event with the blessings of Almighty Allah. I now request Mr. Said Junal to recite a few verses from the Holy Quran.
من الشيطان الرجيم ليؤذب الله المنافقين والمنافقات والمشركين والمشركات ويتوب الله على المؤمنين والمؤمنات وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
Mr. Labor Commissioner, we are grateful to have you with us. We are equally honored to welcome Sheikh Shaukat Shafi, Labor Officer, Rohan Khan, Labor Officer, Rohan Harish, Labor Inspector, Ms. Rafiqa Bano, Dealing Assistant. To our respected principal, vice principal, teachers and staff members. Invite our esteemed guest, Dr. Najman Nazki, to address and share her valuable knowledge and insights with us. Please, ma'am.
लेबर नाम है पर इसमें आप लोग एज टीचर्स भी आते हैं, यहाँ पर नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ भी आता है, कोई और एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हो, इंडस्ट्री हो जहाँ वर्कर्स होंगे वो लोग भी आते हैं. So when we talk about why the department exists, obviously when you have an employer, his basic idea is to get his benefit, to make his profit. तो उस प्रॉफिट के चक्कर में कई बार वो अपने एम्प्लॉय के हकूक भी खा जाता है और वो हैं कौन से, उन्हें कौन डिफाइन करेगा, उन हकूक को बचाएगा कौन. तो यही चीजें हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का काम है. So I really like
that most teachers can go to this. Before program days, you were not eligible for this. Only teachers were excluded. Now you will be the part of this bill movement. Rules are enforced. Rules will be controversial in coming days. By the 1st of April, hopefully you will recover 100 million.
When we were answering managers, labor assistants, we talked about those who have been employed since while in India for a long time. What about their needs? Is there any provision for that?
See, casual laborers, everybody who has joined the services and is continuously working. For example, you have joined on the for example marriage. From the marriage till 31st of December, you have with youth labors. Casual laborers option is with you. In the 2026, you will become eligible for the privileges or the other benefits. That means after 14 days, if you have not completed one calendar year of service in the school, you are eligible only for 14 days.
What about so what is the provision for that?
See, it is if you go by the Gratuity Act or under Code of Social Security, continuous service. This is Section 2A of Gratuity Act and I think 126 of the Social Security. What does break-in service mean? Break-in service never means absent from duties. Unauthorized absence from duties without leave. What is it? अगर आपको मैं कहूँ ये क्या है? Unauthorized absence from duties without leave. क्या है? Is it break-in service or not? आपके हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए? मैं कहता हूँ मैं देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Unauthorized absence from service duties without leave. अपनी लीव भी नहीं लेके आप unauthorized absence. तो क्या ये कंटिन्यूअस ब्रेक? मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. एक बंदा है स्कूल में काम कर रहा है. 15 मार्च में उसने कहा कि मैं स्कूल नहीं आऊंगा, मेरा दोस्त आ रहा है, वो स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल है. मेरे बदले से ये आया, स्कूल में उसने ज्वाइन किया. एक महीने के बाद एम्प्लॉयर ऑनर को लगाया, मैनेजमेंट को लगाया, ये इज नॉट अप. उस बंदे का एग्जाम था या वो किसी को उन्होंने कहा वापस आ जाओ, हम सैलरी बढ़ा देंगे. वो वापस आ गए. 5 साल के बाद वो निकल गया. अब उसने सर्विस में ब्रेक ली थी 15 मार्च से 15 अप्रैल की, 1 महीने की. हमने उनको कहा आपने रिजाइन किया, उसको कहा रिजाइन अगर इसने दिया तो रिजाइनेशन लेटर होनी चाहिए, नहीं है. आपने टर्मिनेट किया, नहीं किया. आपने इसको रिटायर किया, नहीं किया. how we can say this is the correct way to do? That is the reason. Whenever such things happen, you should follow. You should issue a notice. You should issue an order to the concerned employer that you have an unauthorized absence from the duties from this day. It will be assumed as continued if you will not join our services before this. For example, यही मैं दोबारा बात करता हूँ unauthorized absence from duties. अब ये गया 6 साल के बाद ही वापस आ गए और दोबारा ज्वाइन किया फिर 15 साल. Can you take it as a then their application of legal matters. Benefit of doubt is always for the employer. Burden of proof is always with the employer. एक owner को एक work from home, digital entry, good platforms, and there is a legal record and legal fact in those. And finally, in 2019, 4 acts, labor acts were for the jury, 4-1. HR मैनेजर को हमें भी बोलना हमको बर्दाश्त करना है लेकिन उन्हीं के साथ
Thank you, sir, for the informative address. It is rightly said, rights cannot be cured. Rights need to be claimed, and awareness is the first step towards staying there. We are truly grateful for the efforts and guidance shared during today's session. The knowledge gained will surely help us to understand the labor codes responsibly. Now, I would like to call Ms. Afroza, HR Manager, to share her insights here.
स्टाफ को प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल ESI, EPF एंड बेसिक एंड DA ये सारा कुछ हम एम्प्लॉयज को प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं जो भी लेबर रूल्स है अकॉर्डिंग. अब जो भी अमेंडमेंट हो चुका है न्यू उस पर हम कोशिश करेंगे इनको एम्प्लॉयज को देने के लिए. ठीक है.
The vote of thanks. Please, Ishman.
Everyone present here, your attention and engagement has added immense value to this enlarging session. Thank you so much and have a blessed and welcome day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Public School, Mr. Samir Azhar, GMPC Public School, to present the mementos of our honored guests. Shabbat sir, please. Mr. Samir Azhar, please come up to the stage. Welcome. Miss Samir Azhar, please come up to the stage. Welcome. Miss Nazman Azmi, please come. I would like to call Dr. Adnan Khan. On behalf and efforts and guidance shared during today's session, the knowledge will surely help us to understand